to our channel, and today we're going to unbox a Ubbi Steel Diaper Pail. And the reason that we have this is we don't have any children or babies, but we have somebody in the house that will require something that'll contain pads because they have an incontinence problem. So we looked into it and found this Ubbi on Amazon, and it rated 4.6 stars out of over 10,000 people. And also the nice thing about it is it has over 10 awards, and it's pretty much maintenance free. You don't even have to wash the outside because they tell you don't use water, detergent, just wipe it with a soft cloth. So, and also you don't have to use special bags. No proprietary bags are needed. Just need 13-gallon, garbage pail bags. And here it is, and it comes in, I don't know, quite a bit of different colors. I would probably say about 16. But this is it, and this is how you have to unlock it because that's a child safety lock. But you just slide it open, you put your diapers in there or incontinence pads, and then you slide it and it locks in the odor. And it's steel, so it won't allow any odors to escape because plastic is porous and it will allow odors to, come through the plastic. And this is a child lock here. Once it's locked into place, you just lock it, and your children can't get into it.
Yeah, Ubbi.
It's got a sleek design, so it's an oval shape, so it could fit into tight spaces. Okay, here we're going to open up the Ubbi, so we see inside of it. And this is the ring that holds the bag. And like I said, you can use any 13-gallon bag. You don't have to, it isn't a proprietary bag. You can see the lip here. It'll come down around the ring, and it'll help lock the bag in place. So it's not just going to slip down the inside there when you start loading it with dirty diapers. So we're going to load one here. We have a 13-gallon bag, and it's just a generic bag that we got from Costco. My assistant here wants to get her hands in everything. It's really quite easy. And you just put it around the lip.
Because Cooper will use diaper.
Yeah, Cooper. And then you just shut it, and as I said, that'll go around the lip. There we go. And you can open it up, see the bag. And yeah, that has like a neoprene seal, or silicone seal actually. And you slide the opening, and the silicone seal goes around. It actually lifts up a little bit so it seals, and it locks in the odor.
So, that's it.
Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye-bye.